Dharwad, students who performed exceptionally well in this year's SSLC examination were honored and congratulated during the Karnataka Development Programme meeting held in the district. The fourth quarter KDP Progress Review meeting was organized at the Zilla Panchayat Sabha Bhawan under the chairmanship of District in Charge Minister Santosh Lad. During the meeting, Minister Santosh Lad felicitated the students who scored high marks in the SSLC examination and appreciated their hard work, dedication, and academic achievements. He congratulated the students for bringing pride to the district through their excellent performance and encouraged them to continue striving for success in their future education. Chief Whip of Government of Karnataka, Salim Ahmed, MLA NH Kunna Reddy, MLC HF Jakappanar, District Collector R. Snehal, and several other officials were also present on the occasion. Success in education is not just about marks, but about dedication, discipline, and the determination to dream bigger for a better future. What do you think? Comment us below. For more such update, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.